Canva.com. You can sign in either using you just sign up. It's free sign up. So you can actually sign up using your Facebook account. You can also sign up using your Google account, whatever.
Canva.com, right?
Yeah, Canva. Yeah, Canva.com. Now, let's say, for example, you don't know Photoshop, you are not a designer, you don't know much about designing, whatever. Don't worry. Okay, you have something called Canva.com, which will make your life easy.
Okay, very.
If you know Canva, what exactly is like, even if your designer is not there,
Okay.
and I have to do some designing,
Okay.
and you can, with your whatever the knowledge that you have in using your computer, you can easily create a creative.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe it might not be as good as what your designer is going to do,
Okay.
but your design is going to be far, far, far better, right?
Yeah.
So, which actually makes your job easy. You know, any design you want to have. For example, a lot of my designs I've done. All my design, like
Oh, it says try
like
it free for 30 days. That's all.
this is not for 30 days. It's actually free only. Don't click on the Canva Pro.
Oh, okay, Pro.
Yeah, you don't need to click on the Canva Pro. Yeah, you don't need to use the Canva Pro. Otherwise, if you don't use Canva Pro, it is free only. But Pro is something which gives you add-on actually.
Okay.
I would say you don't need to really use Pro. If you want, you can upgrade later. Yeah. So what I will say is go to home. Here, if you want to design, you can design anything. Like here, for example, Facebook ads. Here I have something called Facebook ads, right? Click on Facebook ads. Okay, it will open up. So it will give you a dimension for the Facebook ad.
Yeah, size.
Yeah, the size. Yeah. So default it will give you a size, so you don't need to worry about the size actually. Or if you want to have custom design also, you can do that. Not a problem.
Facebook post, right? Facebook post.
Facebook post or Facebook ad.
Ad
Facebook post is different, ad is different.
They don't have an ad.
You can also have post also.
Barath, I'm not getting it. Which page that is we have to go? Canva. C-A-N-V-A. Canva.com.
C-A-N-V-A, Canva. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. See here, Facebook ad is there. Suppose you are not able to find Facebook post.
I can't find ad.
See, here the search is there, right?
Uh-huh.
Now in the search, you just type Facebook.
Right. Okay.
You will be able to see Facebook post, Facebook ad, everything. Facebook cover.
Yeah, Facebook
just
ad.
type Facebook. You will
Okay,
be able to see all these drop downs.
Ad.
Yeah. Able to see? Yeah. Facebook
Yeah.
post is there. Facebook ad is there.
Ad is there.
All the things will be there. Now, yeah. On the left side, you will see lots of templates. Are you able to see the templates?
Yeah. Yes.
Free templates. Most of them will be free. Some of them will be paid. Okay. Some of them will be paid, and lot of free templates will be there. So any template you would like to have, you can actually click on it. You will get it. So all these, let's say for example, I'm gonna click on this. Let's say. Are you able to see? Yeah.
Yeah.
See, one advantage what I have is I can customize the entire ad. I can actually customize my entire ad. Now, for example, but on the Facebook ad, one thing you should always understand that I should be using very minimal amount of words.
Content.
Content. Yeah. If I have too much of content, then Facebook will reject my ad.
Content should be less than 10%. Less. There is
Very,
a
very less.
ratio of content to the picture. pictures.
Yeah, yeah. So let's say, for example, here I have something. Let me click on it. Probably take this entire thing out. So I have amazing new ways to increase your productivity, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's
12:30.
okay.
Mail start. Okay, so let's say I'm having this amazing new ways
Okay.
to increase productivity, learn more. So the same design, but I'm just changed my only my font. New amazing new ways to increase your productivity, learn more. Now I can actually change the colors, for example, like probably my branding colors in my organization. I have see. I'll always one thing I'll tell you that stick on to only two colors or three colors, not more than that.
Yes.
I think you should always have a standard color for your organizations. Let's say, like for example, Sangeeta, I think she said that there is some colors which are there, which they are sticking on for in their organization,
There should
right?
be colors of the same family. Like you should not go out of that
Same,
family.
yeah, exactly. So branding color palette, I call this. Okay,
Palette.
branding
Yeah.
color palette. So there are a lot of branding color palettes might be there, but I would say that you have actually stick on to certain colors. For even Canva itself gives you certain palette also. I think I love those palettes. Very wonderful palettes are there.
Canva has a palette. Do they
So
have?
here, for example, brandingcolor.net. Yeah, there is hexadecimal code should be there. Those hexadecimal codes we can use it actually.
Actually, where Bharat, where you are doing this, create design.
Here we see, for
Bharat,
example, like
Bharat, can you hear me?
yeah,
Can you hear me?
yeah, I'm able to hear you. Yeah,
Actually, where you are doing these things, create design.
pardon me.
No, actually, where you are doing this, create design in canva.com. I just went inside. Now only my net
Ah,
is very slow. Now I'm in the template.
no. I think don't worry about it. First is observe it. Then later probably you can do it. Okay. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we'll do it later probably. Yeah. So just look at this. There the color palettes are there. Lot of different color palettes are there. You can actually narrow down to certain color palettes, which would be actually the one which would be ideal for you probably. Let's say, for example, I'm going to only use this color palette. Let's say, Boolean color. This one. Like say, for example, I can probably take this one, right? For example, this one, I can actually use this as a color palette, this color palette, like, for example. Or I have this, for example, I have this branding colors here. I can have these color palettes, like colors,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? Yeah, these are, for example, this is the American Red Cross is using these colors.
Mm-hmm.
So I can actually go and see certain companies which are using colors, certain colors, right? I can actually take what certain colors from a certain organization which might suit my nature also. For example, BlackBerry is using these colors.
Black.
Let's say, for example, I'm just copying BlackBerry's color. Like I'm just copied this, hexadecimal code. Let me go here. I can actually change this color, entire color. I can change this color
Bharat,
to
even I
this
cannot able to follow it at all. I think your screen you can share it, no? At least I can see that.
Your screen is there. It
Hmm?
is sharing.
No, I am not getting the screen at all.
You are able to see the screen, Sangeeta?
Yeah. Yeah. I can see.
No, I couldn't able to
You
see
are
it.
able to see. Pardon me?
How did you change the color? That
No,
is
I
like
cannot able to see the screen.
So here there is an option to click on. You click on this option here, branding color here.
So the
You
site
click
was
on this.
branding colors, huh? The
Yeah.
website.
You click on it. Yeah. Now here you click on it. No, you click on it, and then this just paste the hexadecimal code here. That's
Okay.
all.
Colors will change.
I'll just show you again another thing.
Yeah, please,
I'll
please,
go
please.
to branding colors.
Brand colors.
This brand, yeah. For example, here BlackBerry is using this color, and just let me copy this green color. Okay,
Okay.
we copy the green color here. Let me click on this color. Here you are able to see this pink color.
Yeah, pink color. Yeah.
Color.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just click on this. Here I will just paste that
What
hexadecimal
is that
code.
website?
You will
Brandcolor.com or what? Brand colors not net. .net, right?
see this is brandcolor.net.
Yeah,
Brand
got it.
colors.
Okay. I got it. I got it.
BRANDCOLORS.
Yes, I
Yeah,
got it.
brandcolors.net.
Okay.
Let me just copy this, yellow color of BlackBerry. Okay. Now I'll go here, click on this, right? This white
Just
combination. What I'll do is I click on it.
copied.
Yeah, and I can actually change this into yellow color. Now you're able to see. See, it is very easy.
Yeah.
Very easy. So I can just use a branding color. Let's say, for example, here this. See, most important contrast is very important. Like for example, this I have used blue color. The contrast to blue color might be this, maybe the black color. Yeah, this one color probably. I can use, for example, here the learn more is there. Probably I can use this button, learn more. Rather than pink, probably I can use this, you know, black combination. Yeah, this is what it is. Now this one will look good actually. Is it looking good? Amazing new ways to increase your productivity.
Yeah, very nice.
Learn more. Yeah.
Yes, it's good. See, actually, Bharat, my net was very slow, so I was there in
Yeah.
ebook. Sorry, that Canva.com. Then what is the next step?
Yeah. You go to Canva.com, just do a sign up.
Okay, okay,
You can do a sign up probably later. Don't worry about it. You will be able to do it very easily. It is very, very easy. Very, very easy. Just if you know how to use Word, PowerPoint, whatever, MS Office, it is even more easier than using MS Office.
okay,
So easy. So you don't need to be a designer. You don't need to know all this design, whatever. Nothing you don't need to.
okay,
It makes your job, makes your life easy. Canva makes your
okay,
life easy. But I'll tell you, there will be a big difference between you designing and a designer designing, because designer always his way of thinking will be different.
Different.
That is for sure. Because your designer is designer. You can't replace a designer. Okay, that guy will always, because he knows so many things about design that he will be able to do a great job. But if suppose he is not there, suppose the designer is not there, can you do a design? Yeah, you can do it. All you have to do is just use your Canva. That's all. Canva makes your life easy. Now you are able to see now amazing new ways to increase your productivity. Looks good actually.
yeah, it's very good, very simple and looks nice.
Very simple, yeah. So put an ad, amazing way, new way to increase productivity. That's it. Simple as this. Now let's say for example, there is, if suppose you see that I have to have a picture, I don't want this color, I want some picture or this and all thing. Yeah, that can also be done. That can also be done. Picture, you can also put a picture there, and all those things can be done. Right? This is a simple design, so you don't need it. So use a template. All you have to do is use a template, design it. That's it. So all you have to do. Now here I can actually give a name to my uh, my of course increasing your productivity. Amazing way to increase your productivity. I can probably take away unwanted text and enter. Okay. Here I can have the name, and here I can download. Here able to see download here, right side, in the top corner.
Yeah, download. Yes.
So click on the arrow mark, and here you have something called download.
Okay.
Just click on the download. Okay, you can actually select PNG, JPG, all this format, except probably other some few formats probably, which is paid actually, like animation or whatever. So I can actually use PNG here. I can just download. That's all. Download. So immediately it will download. Preparing to download, and it download. Yeah. So it says, do you want to download? Just save this file. Just say okay. That's all. Okay, it got downloaded. Now it has got downloaded. So if I go to my download, I think I am able to see this page. New ways to increase your productivity. Able to see now?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Are you able to see?
Yes.
Is it not looking amazing?
Yes.
Yeah, it's amazing, no?
Yes. Yes.
But not no.
Very
It's not amazing.
It's amazing, Barath. It's very simple
Nice.
and
Okay, that's the thing. It is like, see, it is simple. Like, I don't want to, mess around with so much of, tools and, how to learn this so-called this, what is this, Photoshop, this tool, that tool, and complicate my life. No, I don't want.